I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make Safari read a web page to you on your iPhone or iPad. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. Have you ever wished you could have articles, blogs, or even recipes read out loud to you while you multitask? Or maybe you just want to give your eyes a rest? Well, Safari's got a hidden gem of a feature just for this purpose. In this video, I'll show you how to make Safari read a web page to you on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Now let's walk through the steps to make Safari read a web page to you on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Safari web browser on your iPhone or iPad and then navigate to the article you want Safari to read to you. Step 2. Tap the AA icon on the address bar. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Listen to Page. The menu will close, and after a few seconds, Safari will start reading the article to you. You can bring up controls for the reader by tapping the audio icon that is now displayed on the address bar. You can adjust the speaking rate, move back to an earlier part of the article, move forward to a later part of the article, or play or pause the reader. When you're done with the Safari reader, tap End Listening in this menu. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.